Hello everyone, welcome back to Kevin's channel. Today I'm going to install this Leatherette on my Lumix GF1. I got this Leatherette from a website called Aki-Asahi. I believe it's Japanese manufacturer or something. They custom made camera Leatherette. So for this one, like this one GF1, it's all metal built, so it's very slippery when you hold it, and the grip is not the most comfortable one. And that's why I bought this Leatherette, trying to put it on to see if we can enhance the grip. So first of all, I'm gonna clean the camera, the body itself, using some alcohol pad before we begin the process. That's just what I like to do, because well, I don't wanna like dirty stuff sitting underneath the Leatherette. So you only cover these parts, so that's our part I'm gonna clean for now. So I think that should be good enough. They also have the part for the port cover. So after that, I wanna let it set it dry, but also take out the battery. Leave it somewhere for now. Okay, set it down. And now I'm gonna take out the package that I got from the They also sent it here to where I live. I live in Canada, and here I'm gonna show you the price of it. How much I got. Trying to focus. It's a 13 USD. So just gonna take this paper out. It'd be nicer to have like a detail for you to check. Here we are. Just gonna grab a knife for me to cut it open. Okay. Well, it's plenty simple package actually, but efficient enough, I believe. Okay. There it is. Look at that. Or no, it's not real leather, it's not genuine leather, but it's a high quality artificial leather. Right. Judging by like the first the video that they show on the website, I don't have the body cap, but just guesses for now. I'm just gonna take this off to easily install it. I'm gonna leave it here for now. So first of all, take this part off and then install it from here. Align with the silver part. Like they bunker you. Okay. It's really great how they, how they managed to make this custom fit. It's pretty accurate cutout. And like part on the front. kinda feel nice already. It also cover up the Lumix logo there, just so you know. Some people like it that way, right? They don't want people to see what camera they're using. And then now the right side. Just gonna align it properly. Look at that, the GF cutout with the cutout for the GF1 logo. There. Make sure it's nice and smooth before we actually finish the rest. This feels really nice. Okay, around this, oops, up the flesh out on this part. Nice. Since I got this camera secondhand, there are some unfortunate scratches, but I can use this battery to cover the most part, which is really nice. I guess for now I don't want to cover this part yet because I might use the port here, because what I are like they mentioned about the battery for the cover here. Like once you use it, you won't be able to open it up. That's according to them. But so far, it's pretty nice. All set on nicely. Let's put the lens pack on. Oh wow, that feels really nice. Something that the official didn't offer back then, because I guess the design wasn't like no battery, they're metal. But the grip should be plenty nicer, not that smooth, slippery surface anymore, but with this leather-ish feeling on it. So yeah, I quite like it, to be honest. I've seen some reviews and people putting them on, but I've never seen any person yet until now on my own camera. Alright, this is just a quick video for the installation of this battery, and it's short review. If there's anything more, I'll update it, like for long-term use and how does it feel while shooting on the street, shooting out. Hopefully, you guys will like this one, and yeah, bye. If you like this video, if you like the tech related or this kind of camera gadget videos that I'm film, please subscribe or like the video if you want. But I hope you have a nice day. Take care.